Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Do you by chance have an Anlin Catalina single hung or double hung window that does this? So what you may have happening is sometimes when you go to clean your window and you tilt it out for cleaning, what'll happen is these little guys here, which are flat, need to go into this Pac-Man style cam shoe. And if it doesn't go in back properly, you've cleaned your window, you think you've set both sides, you go to lift your window up, and then you close it all the way down, then you go to open it back up again, and it just doesn't want to stay. What can happen is when you've set your window and you've pushed it all the way down, assuming that the pivot bar was placed into the spring properly, you push it all the way down at the bottom and then it literally isn't installed properly. The next time you go to open your window, it opens and then it closes back down again. What you may find whenever you look down in the corner of the window is you'll see the actual spring cam shoe shoved down into the bottom corner there, and it's stuck because the U shape of the cam shoe is facing up and the brake is on, and it's plunged all the way down into this corner here, and well, it's stuck. You can't use that balancer until you reset it. I'm gonna show you how to reset that real quick. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's assume for a moment how the Pac-Man shoe is up like this. The brake is on. So as this sash is out for cleaning, the brakes are on for this. So now once you turn this is gonna wanna shoot up. And that is what's allowing you to take your sash out for cleaning. So this, in this case, this guy would be plunged way down here at the bottom like this, if not further down. Whereas the other side is operating as usual. So what you're gonna do is, just like I'm using, a flat-headed screwdriver, you just go down there and use two hands, right? Because if you use just one hand and you have a big balancer, it's just gonna slide up into this and probably break your balancer. So hold on to this, twist it, put it where you want it. I usually like to line it up with the one that's over there and put on your brake. That is it. So then once you've done that, you can reset the pivot bars inside the cam shoes. Lift up first, see if you didn't leave it behind. We didn't, so we're good. Check full range of motion, and we're good. You have no idea how many times that happens to a customer because they thought that their window was set and it wasn't. So I'll go out and see that the cam shoe was in the braked position all the way down at the bottom. So quick, simple fix. If for some reason the cam shoe is broken or you have the stainless steel coil spring is actually broken, well, then you need a whole new spring, and I have a video on that, and we can put that in the description. So if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to reach out, but otherwise it's pretty self-explanatory. Hope you guys have a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.